All right, this is the tree I've been trying to get up out of the ground. Root ball and all, these roots are kind of huge. This is one root right here. All the way down there, all the way over to here. And I managed to get that root out with the tractor. I already trimmed most of the lower branches off of it with the tractor. But the root I was having a big problem with is this guy right here. I just chainsawed him because that root's the size of a tree. So let's see if we can't get this thing out of the ground with our little Massey Ferguson 204 40 horsepower gas tractor. Okay, we're starting to level the pad out here for the movement of the house. We've got the laser level already set up and leveled out. We just came along here. I don't know if y'all can see it on the screen or not. Just put a string around the outside edge where our edge of our pad needs to be. As you can see, we've got to move some dirt around pretty good around here because it's like none right here. So we got to move a little bit of dirt around just to try to get it there. We've got another 4 yards of Afton stone to go on top of this. And on this side, we've got where we started out over here, a whole lot of stuff here that we got to shovel up to get around it. The plate compactor that we rented to get this all packed down, and then it's just, like I said, it's just for a barrier so we know where the pad's supposed to go. None of this is for level, but as you can see, even from here, we've got a considerable amount of difference from the high spot there to the low spot over here at the corner. So we got to build this corner up a little bit, and I'll probably be trying that one shovel loader at a time over because my wheelbarrow is broken. So I know it's a little windy out here. I apologize for the wind. We're hoping after today we're gonna get a little bit warmer temperatures to warm up a little bit here. Ooh. So first we're going to get this corner to about where we think it should be, and then we're going to work on that far corner down there, trying to get them pretty close to level for the corners, and then we'll go with use this 4x4, do some manual moving of dirt the hard way.
Mama.
Hi.
Welcome back to the homestead. I have to make it like this.
Yep.
Okay, and let's move it around. That's good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's not
Do you have any stories you want to tell real quick?
I know.
Okay. Do it quick.
Jump. It ends up that way.
It's okay. You're doing so good. Love you.
Oh,
Hey. Love you.
yeah. Adios. Watch me go down my slide. Go, go. I got to turn.
You're so silly.
You want to watch it again, everybody? Look at how I climb.
Come on, wrong feet, Magoo.
Everybody, don't let your people, your grown-up, watch this. This is only for kids. You can slide down.
Okay, good job. Okay, I'm gonna go now.
Okay.
Love you. We've come to the conclusion that the United States Post Office has the wrong slogan. There, come rain or shine, sleet or high waters, or snow or high waters, whatever it is, that's actually a homesteader's creed. No matter what, we're out here working in the rain, working in the snow. Come high water, we're still out here working. Come snow, we're out here still working.